Good morning. I slept so this night. It was some rain in the night, about 3 hours, some short showers and some wind, but it wasn't so bad in here. And in the morning it started to quiet down and I got some decent sleep. Today I'm going to explore the fortress from the inside. So I bought a ticket for the tour. I just need to get there in the headwind. This bunker is one of several coastal fortresses, positioned to protect the harbor at Kappelskär, with overlapping cannons, to sink a hostile invasion fleet entering any of the shipping lanes. As there are some time before the tour starts, there is time to have a look at the remainings of the second bunker in the battery. It's at Ovanskär. So I paddle there along the rugged coast. This is what is remaining from the old military installation here at Ovanskär. Just a small harbor place. This looks like the route to the bunker. Here you can see the fake rock. This is probably the Well, they used to have a cannon. Or perhaps further north. It's easier to see from the air. Let's head back to the tour. Moving in through the shock-wave absorbing entrance. Entering the ABC cleaning lock. And the mechanical workshop. Here they could repair all parts of the cannon, using the blueprints to the right. The blueprints were also used for the electrical workshop. Here in the canteen, feeding 110 staff, there is access to the optical aiming devices through these stairs. Moving further into the bunker, we reach the brain of the cannon, the officer for the watch management, the sleeping quarters for the lower level of officers, and the more senior ones. The switchboard and the very fire control center. From here you could control the fire from the two cannons, interact with other batteries and air control centers, and coordinate the fire from the 2x2 anti-aircraft guns. In the machine room, all water, electricity and filtered air was generated. 1 of 3 diesel generators were enough to support the whole bunker. The sick bay could perform surgery and treat 3 soldiers at a time. Now we are about to leave the first bunker house. Passing through the separation tunnel. Into the gun crew's sleeping quarters. They were divided into several crews with several sleeping areas. From the quarter there is one staircase up to the loading area. Monitors for the differential pressure to keep gas out. Entering the loading area. Revolver magazine to increase shooting rate to 36 rounds per minute. Peeking up into the cannon turret. And place for the manual operation. Here we end the inside tour and head back to Simpness. With some fouler weather again. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see the cannon from the outside, you better watch this episode.